Hey, this is digital lifestyle expert Mario Armstrong. The holiday countdown is on, but are you ready to go shopping? If you need a head start, then check out this must-have gift. Transform your home outdoor spaces with Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights Pro. Perfect for the holidays, you can choose over 16 million colors and 75 different scenes to beautify your home's exterior, like white and blue for Hanukkah, red and green for Christmas, or a warm white accent lighting all year round. And these are the first, industry's first, by the way, cuttable, yes, I said cuttable, permanent outdoor lights, which really makes installation super easy. They're reliable, they're also waterproof, and with Govee Home app, you can remotely adjust the colors and even use your voice to control it with Alexa and Google Assistant. Just visit govee.com to learn more. And to find everything I covered today, including links, just visit inthenews.tv or find us on Instagram at inthenewstv.